going on, guys? So it's midnight right now. I got called for a plugged boiler room drain. When I arrived on site, I seen a sight. So we got a water main break, and then we got to take a look at the boiler room to make sure the sump pump is taking it. So we'll see what's going on after. All right, so the city came, shut off the water. Now we're just waiting for all this to kind of go away. We've got a little sump pump down here. A little inch and a half or inch and a quarter. If any of you guys are boiler guys, let me know if these boilers are going to be shot. They look fairly new. So if I stick around until the water's all gone, I'll let you guys know. If I don't, then this is going to be the end of it. Thanks for watching, guys. This has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Taragna.